Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. From the last one where I was going to Milan and coming back, I made a little resume. Something is changed here in front of me. Finally I mounted the original windshield because the GV1, the winter version, was very big. This is a little bit more beautiful and compact. So, as I told you, I have come back from Milan some days ago, and today I'm going to start my import procedure. I need to import the bike from Italy to Austria to put on the Austrian plates, and because at the moment I'm a little bit illegal. If they stop me, they can bore me a little bit. So, and we have in front of us the police. Nice. I am living here, but I have Italian number plates, so if they want, they can bore me a little bit, but no problem. I'm going today to start this procedure to wash the bike because it's full of mosquitoes from the trip to Italy. Now we are going to Yamaha and see how it is to procedure to import a motorcycle to Austria. Fortunately, Yamaha is near here. Today I'm wearing shorts, what I usually don't wear on motorcycle. But today is so hot. I'll stop right here.
6.5 hours later.
So the Yamaha gave us an email to send our documents, okay, they can register my motorcycle in Austria, that it is here. And now I have to go to an association, I could say, where they have to evaluate my motorcycle, how much it is worth, and on this amount then I have to pay taxes for import and other stuff. A cool thing of Austria is that you can personalize your number plate, so I'll surely make one with my name, as it's so cool. I'm not driving fast because I'm in short pants and because I have this new phone holder and I'm not trusting him so much, so I have to go slowly. It was sunny and hot when I was at home, and now it is so windy. In Austria the weather is crazy because it can be hot and then cold in 10 minutes. And next week they are forecasting some rain. So if today we have 30 degrees Celsius, on Saturday we will have 18. It's crazy. A few days ago it was my birthday, and some friends of mine gave me a voucher for the track of Spielberg. If you don't know, Spielberg is the racetrack for Formula 1 and MotoGP here in Austria. It is about 100 kilometers away from here. So I need to check what they do. How can I use this voucher? I saw that you can ride different motorcycles, cars, buggies and other stuff. I can't wait to go there and have fun. I hope that I'll find the place where I have to go, because I'm here just 5 months and I don't know really good the streets. Oh.
6.5 hours later.
So finally we did it, guys. I thought it was a simple task, but it took me half an hour because we couldn't find in the Eurotax my motorcycle. It was in the wrong position. It wasn't under the Sport Tourer, it was under naked bikes, street bikes, something like that. So we couldn't find it. So now I got my value of my motorcycle, and in the next days I need to go pay taxes and import it definitely to Austria. Now I'm going just to wash it because it's so dirty.